How you doing, guys? So we're going to get back at the Corolla. I'm going to change the distributor, and I am also going to give it a bit of a wash. JLD Auto Care have given me a few bits and pieces, and one of them is a wash detergent. So I'm going to try it out on this here first off and see how it goes. But let's get the distributor. Let's get this changed over and see how she runs then. But I'm going to give this a bit of a clean here, just a bit on the dirty side. So I'm going to give it a bit of a clean off with stuff. Give it a bit of a wire brushing. Let's get taken on this one. Come on over, lads. She's just shocking gunky, isn't she? I'm going to plug up the holes. Well, that's not a hole. I'm going to plug up the hole here for it, and I'm going to give it a bit of a clean around here. Jesus Christ. Silicone there, look at that. Jesus. That's not a good sign, is it? That's only a rocket cover seal anyway, that's not the hardest thing to get. Right. So what I'm going to do is, I can see the original markings where the bolt holes were. So I'm going to just guide it in by using them and lift it all up. There's just a chapel cutting the grass there at the minute. So we got this thing on anyway. Let's tighten her up. Make sure everything's connected. The job's a good one. I put the old distributor back into the boot for him, and let's give it the first turn of the key and see how it starts. See if it starts. To be very brutally honest, guys, I actually, honest to God, think that's running an awful lot better now. It was starting up and running right, but it's fairly bad to do a bit of fun on it, but might get a bit of elbow grease on that or something. Guys, that is actually running pretty sweet. Okay guys, so I left the car running on purpose just to see if it would splutter after a few minutes idling. That's where I was having a lot of trouble, when it'd sit there for a few minutes and just go and die. So since it's been sitting here for a few minutes, that is fixed. This is going to give it a little spin now, so join me in the passenger seat there real quick. Well, I can't seem to get you to stay in the passenger seat, but be like God, this is a bumpy air lane, lads. Seems to be running decent, MC Mac decent. Why not? Yeah, let's see how she goes on the road. Oh, we're still recording here, huh? It's funny enough that we're stuck in traffic here. Tell you what, lads, she's not spluttering now anyway. I think that's a win. She's running bang on, boss. Come and take her away from me before I take it on you. Oh, she's an absolute sow. God love it, lads. Deadly job. That was a good one.